Howdy folks, welcome to ChipWits. I don't know much about this game. Even as a small content creator, I get sent a lot of keys. Most of them I ignore, they're just kind of cheapy throwaway games. This one caught my eye, it looked kind of interesting. You program robots to solve logic puzzles. That sounds like it's right up my alley, so I thought I'd give this a look. I'm coming in cold. If you're new here to the channel, a lot of times when I do these first looks, I just go in cold and you can see my experience as a brand new person, user of the game. So let's dive in. I did go ahead and make myself a little character. Do I click on here? Professor Chip's fact. Yeah, when I first started the game, I could make my character. So I set up my character. Little robot guy. I can't remember what I even called him. It was Harold something, I think. Anyway, let's dive in. Help Professor Chip open a new widget factory. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's check it out. You're a wizard, Harry. Alrighty then. Chapter 1, Basic Training. Play? No, that's what we just did. Click here. Here we are. Moving forward. Learn how to move your ChipWit forward and reach the checkpoint. Okay. Pass the reverse Turing test and reach the checkpoint. Reach the indicate. I think we're supposed to go to the location, folks. Harold Sensor, that was my guy's name. Something different about you. Yep, for sure. It's like a little next button. Are you a robot? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. Yes, I am a robot. Use the workshop grid to reprogram yourself to move to the blue star. Okay. Just click on U for help. Got it. Click here to select and place your first chip. So do we have to give him like a move forward chip? I don't really know how this works. Skate. Okay. Yep. Skate. Okay. So we want to skate forward and then left one. Skate forward. Cannot edit a locked chip. Oh, I was looking at the wrong robot. I'm the little gray guy. That's, yeah, we have to go forward. That's why it had the auto loop. Got it. We are acceptable. Good to know. All right. So now we have this guy. We click on that. Okay, got it. Turning. All right. We reach the checkpoint by turning. This kind of reminds me a little bit of like Scratch, the little beginning programmer language. I wonder if we can actually like write code at some point. Okay, so you can move in a straight line. Let's test your navigation circuits. Hidden the blue star somewhere in this room. Can you navigate there? I think so. So forward 2 and then turn right. And then forward 2 more. So we have skate. Okay, now we can pick directions. So I'm going to skate forward. Now it's going to let me do a different chip. Gotcha. So forward. And then if I skate to the... Okay, so turn right 90 degrees. Got it. And then forward again. And then forward again. Do we have a stop? No. Go. Hey, we did it. It's like some outside force is guiding you, right? All right, we need something more complex. Can we do stuff? Reset checkpoint by navigate. Okay, we have to navigate around. We can do that. Hidden the blue star in a slightly more obscure location. All right, so I think the simplest would be to turn right. Now, when we rotate, we just rotate in place, right? I think that's how that works. And we need to go forward 1. We need to rotate to the left. Forward 3. I don't think we have any... We don't have any fancier like logic or anything as far as I know. So we just have to do that. So forward 3 times. Oops. Forward. Right, so turn right, go forward once, turn back to the left, go 1, 2, 3, turn left, and then forward 1 more time. Look at me go. All right, we don't need to see all that stuff. Let's get to some juicy stuff. Non-orthogonal. So we can move, oh, we can move diagonally now. Cool. Does it give us more logic stuff to play with? More chips? I'm blending in with the floor. I should have made my robot a different color. So we can move diagonally. Okay, so we need to go forward 2 times. Forward. Forward. And then left 2 times. So it's called, yeah, left 45. Does that... That just turns me, right? So now I need to go forward, forward, and then left another 45. And then forward 1 more time. I think that's how that works. Got it. I've rotated his expectations. Yay! World record 3? How would you do that? I don't understand how you can do that in 3 chips when that's all you have available. Huh. Interesting. So we can go up here and do something. Slalom skating. Practice skating around cones. Okay. That looks like it's a little side mission. Learn to rearrange connectors on chips. That sounds more interesting. Let's do that. In this mission, your goal is to get to the blue star, but your chips are locked. You may only redirect the connectors of the chips to the correct directions. Okay. Chip connectors can point up, down, left, or right. They can change the and thus follow by clicking on that. Okay, so we can click on the connector to change it. Do that from the menu. Got it. Okay, so to get there, we ideally would go forward 3. Can we go? So those are all forward. Then we want to rotate, and then we can go forward some more. Let's try that. So click there. Oh, I see. So those are already pointing that way. So then this guy needs to go down. Go forward 3. Then we need to turn to the right. It looks like a right 90. Then we need to go forward 2 more. So this guy needs to go that direction. And then can we stop? Nope. We only need to go forward 2. So we need to come down this direction instead. There we go. Forward 3, and then we turn, and we go forward 2 more. That should work. Then we go to the auto loop. Play. Perfect. Yay. All right, let's get to use looping to... Okay, so we actually get to do some a little more complex logic this time. We only get to use 3 chips. Okay. So we need to go forward, turn, and go forward again. So can we go back to the other chip? So we want to skate forward. But can we break after? I don't understand the looping thing. That'll just keep looping forward, right? How do we break the program flow? I are confused. Make use of 45-degree angles. Yeah, I don't. I'm really missing something basic here. Like if this just loops forever. How do we exit that loop? That's the part I'm missing here. I feel really dumb. Let's just do the play. Yeah, see, he's just going to keep going forward. That was awesome. Just bang into the drum. Yeah, I don't understand. Like, if I was writing this in C or assembly, I could get it, but I don't understand how to break out of the loop. I'm going to have to ask for a hint. I am dumb. At least one of them needs to be a loop, right? I'm really missing something obvious. So this counts as a chip? Is that what it's saying? All right, let's do that. So we'll go forward. Then we'll rotate 45. Oh, can I loop back to this one? Maybe that's how. Oh. Ah, you can loop between them. Okay. This makes a lot more sense now. Now I'm with it. I forgot we could go backwards. I was thinking we could just go to one of those. So forward, rotate 40, forward, rotate 45, forward. That'll get us to here. We're almost there. We might need to do 2 forwards. So we do forward, forward, rotate 45. No, we don't want to do that. So we can only use 3 chips. Fun. I can delete this. No. Can't delete that once it's down. Oh, there we go. My bad. Click that part, you can change it. So close. I love the sound of him donking. I think will he eventually end up there? No, he's stuck in the never-ending circle now. All right. Got it. Let's go forward, rotate 45, forward. Let's go back to here. This will be forward. Then I can't loop up back up to that though, right? There we go. Got it. 10 go to 10. I'm learning. Got to see what all the options are available. Learn how to use junctions to wire chips together. Okay. They need to be connected. All right. Well, if you're going to tell me how to do it, click here. Junction. Oh. And click again. Ta-da! Neat. So this gets more and more complex. I thought in the store description it mentioned writing code, so I was expected to be writing code. Kind of like the farming drone game. That was a lot of fun. Final exam. Put everything together to reach the destination. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out. Don't fall into the pits. Oh, okay, interesting. We got pits. We're starting out facing at a 45-degree angle. Okay, do we have any... We don't have any limits on chips, so we can just brute force this. No problem. Oh, no, we have 6. We have a limit of 6. Oh, sneaky. All right. Forward. 45. Can I get back to... So we need to go forward, 45, forward, 45, forward. Then we need to go 2 forwards. See, I wish there was like a conditional. We don't have any conditionals to break out of the loops. So that's unfortunate. I don't think we can brute force this because we don't have enough chips. So we need to go, that gets us to here. Oh, we can do junctions though. I don't know if that will help us any or not. So I was wondering if I could have like a forward, 45 forward. And then connect that with another piece. All right, well that gets us to there. Whee! I love the sound effects. They're great. I don't want to auto loop. So if I did this, does it just keep doing that? I assume it just keeps looping there. Whee! Nice. Yeah, so it just keeps looping. Wait, did that go? Yeah, it literally just keeps looping between those two. Got it. So there's no way to break out of the loop. There's no like conditional. So that's unfortunate. All right, let's go down for fun. So forward 45, forward 45, forward. We need to do that twice. There's no way to break out of the loop. So is there a way we can 45 forward? No, we'd have to go. So I wonder if we can get to So I wonder if you have a connector. I'm doing all this thinking live here on the video instead of figuring it out beforehand and making an awesome edited video. I was just wondering if you could have that, and then if you use a connector, does it not loop back? If that makes sense. I think that's used all my chips, right? No. Oh, do those not count as chips? Ew. Interesting. That, let's see if that works the way I expect it to work. Yep. Where's the, here's step. Oh, period is step. Okay. So go there, we go there. The junction just takes us back to the beginning. Okay, got it. That's how I thought that worked. So that would work the same as we just loop those two together, right? See, I need to go forward one more time instead of coming back to here, but there's no conditional, so this is tricky. Let's ask him for a hint, because I are dumb. Okay, that's kind of what I thought, where we need to start the initial condition. I was thinking down those lines. I should have continued thinking down those lines. Okay, so this is going to be auto. Got it. So if we were facing south as an initial condition, let's just start over. Can I do the reset? There we go. All right, so we want a 45-degree left. No, right. So that'll get us facing south. And if we're facing south, we can go forward. Yeah, because then we need to go forward, left 90, forward, and then we could loop back to here, and we'd keep doing that. So let's do this, and then our junction to here. Oops, to here. So that way we have this loop. That should get us around to there, I think. If I did my math right. Nope, I didn't do my math right. You go forward one more time. My bad. Forward twice. Nope. Stop! There. Ta-da! It's simple once you figure it out. You just need to reset your initial condition, and then you can have a loop that makes you get there. Got it. You've proven yourself more than worthy to work in my factory. Well, I don't know about that, but thanks. Are you sure you're a robot? I'm still hungry. Okay, did I get hired? The widget prototypes are ready. Cool. There we are. Chapter 2, widgets. Awesome. Well, this is a cool little game. I like it. If you like programming and logic puzzles, this might be right up your alley. Go check it out on Steam on the store page. I forgot to look up to see when it's out. I think it's already out. All the links and the stuff will be in the description. Thanks as always for watching. If you'd like to see a little more of this game, let me know by leaving a like and a comment. I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.